Well, I was gonna put my AC in today, but we got rain coming, thunder, lightning. Yeah, there's some lightning. So, and tomorrow is Tuesday, and I think it's a 70% chance of rain tomorrow. So I'm not gonna put my window AC in today or tomorrow because I got a caulk around it, and I don't want my caulking to get wet. All right, so I'm gonna work on bibs. Here, let me open this, get some air in here. So I'm gonna work on bibs. I'm gonna get 2 coats of red on there, and maybe I can get hers ready. I got those cut. I'll get them painted. Those are for bibs too. All right, so let me get a couple coats of paint on this, and maybe by the end of the day I can get hers mounted like I got mine right here. All right, we'll be back. Well, I got the first coat of red brick on bibs, and we got a big storm coming, 80 miles an hour wind. And I don't know if you can see this tree, but it's in bad shape and it's right over my garage. So I'm done all I can do in there, and I'm gonna spend a little time in this shop, in my knife shop, maybe clean up a little bit. I don't know, we'll see. But I gotta wash my paintbrush out, and I'll figure out something to do in here. And when it blows over, I'll go back and put the second coat on bibs wood, and a couple hours after that, I'll be able to mount it on the air conditioner. Well, this might mean they lift the burn ban. That way I can start cutting some of them trees up, burning them. A couple more hours, this will be out of here. I'll go back to my shop and put the second coat on wood for bibs AC. Okay, I got the second coat on this side. I got to let this dry, flip it over, put the second coat on. But in the meantime, I've done a little tidying up over here. I've been just setting my circular saw, just setting it in here. I finally cut a slot for it to fit in. And I have ordered a jigsaw, and it's gonna go right here. And since I'm out here and it's raining, and I've been meaning to do this, I'm gonna do the same over here. I'm gonna get my tools nice and neat and organized. I got them just kind of thrown in here. But I got 2 circular saws. I'm gonna cut slots for them. I got a jigsaw I'm gonna put right in the middle and get all my other tools all set up and easy to get to. And anyway, you'll see. Let me get to thinking on where I'm gonna put them all. Okay. And that's a sander back there, and I got a sander here. I think I'm just gonna set them right here where that is. And oh God. Then I'll drill a couple of holes for my grinder and my drill to set in. And that's probably it. I got everything set up pretty much the way I want. Maybe I'll rearrange just a little. Alrighty. All right, a place for everything. Now I gotta tackle this. It's not bad, but no, it's not bad. I'll do a little straighten up. That's it. That's all I'm gonna do here. And it stopped raining, but it is still dark, so I don't dare go out and do anything until it starts lightening up. Boy, it is dark and ominous. Had another limb come down. And that's why I don't like to stay out here when it's windy, because this is a very old tree, and it's dying. It's on its last legs. So there's no telling when something will fall out of that tree right onto my garage. Well, it's not perfect. Not perfect, but at least I have gone through all my... Don't look at my glove collection. Don't! Yeah, that's a little nutty. I don't know why I bought so many. When I bought them, there was a reason. I forget why, but I will have them for 7 or 8 lifetimes. Those are work gloves, just in case you were wondering. Yeah. I hope I never have to do that much work. Okay, so yeah, looking good. I do have some, I did organize it. That's electrical, that's plumbing. No, that's electrical, that's plumbing, and that's about 700 feet of air hose. No idea how I ended up with that many feet of air hose. Okay, so there we go. Now, here's what I want to do next. I got Bev's mounted. I gotta put the corner brackets on now. And yesterday I intended to let you watch, but I put it on slow-mo, and it would have taken you 3 days to watch that video, because, yeah, I don't know how, when I put it in that thing, it's hard to see what's going on the screen here, so I'll get it up there and let you see how I do these. I will try and keep my arms out of the way, but it's going to be hard just because of where you're at and where this is. But, all right. On the corner brackets, the screws I'm using going into this, they're just little 1/2 inch. They're not self-tapping, but they're a 1/4 inch hex head, number 8's basically 1/2 inch. And these are 3/4 inch, 1/4 inch hex head, number 8's going into the wood. So I've got on the front side of this, there's a mark I've got here that I'm lining this board up with. So let me just get one started here, and still raining, still thundering. I'm gonna tighten this up by hand. By a nut driver, so I can feel how tight it's getting. I don't want to tighten it up too much. Okay, I got one in there. Now I'm gonna get one in the wood. I'm just drilling holes to get these started. Now I use a 3/4 in the wood. And the reason I like to use a nut driver when I get close to getting it tight is because that way I can feel if I'm over tightening it. All right, I'll just show you this one here, and I won't make you watch all 4 of these. Well, it's really raining. I got a real good feeling that they may lift that burn ban. I'll be able to start cutting all this fallen trees up because my God, we got a lot. I have torque fingers. I have, you know, something I could use in my wrench, a nut driver I could put in my little impact driver. But when you're working with stuff that can be stripped real easy, just best to do it by hand. And over a lifetime of doing this, you sort of develop a feel for what's tight enough and what's getting close to being too tight. Once you've stripped a few out, you know what you're doing. All right, I'll do this by hand. Okay, I got 3 more to do, just like that. And then I'm gonna caulk around the edges on this side and that side, and that will be ready to be installed in Bev's window. And it's still raining, still pouring, gonna rain all day, so probably gonna do this and go home and take a nap. I mean, do something productive. All right, you've probably seen enough of these air conditioners. I know that just a little bit of work in here I've done today. My back. Oh, and you're probably tired of hearing about my back, but my back rarely hurts to this degree. Anyway, I've got it all mounted, screwed. I mean, it is ready to be put in the windows, caulked. Oh, alrighty, I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna go shut my lights off in my other shop and it finally stopped raining so I can walk home without melting because, you know, sugar melts. Alrighty, have a good day, y'all. And when you see this Monday morning, I will be trying to make an appointment to go see my back doctor.